Hi everyone, I want to show you how to hide your files, a picture or video on your phone, to the extent that nobody that will check your phone that will find those files. So I want to show you the files we are going to hide now. Okay, sorry. Okay, we are going to hide those files. Okay, photo. Okay, this is the file we are going to hide now. This is the file we are going to hide. The file is on the screen capture this particular person. We are going to hide this file that was produced on the Saturday, December 2019. On Saturday, December 19. Sorry. So we are going back. Then check the file manager. Okay. Through this, you can save all secret files that you don't want people to see, the documents, your picture, or your videos. So we go to internal storage. Then okay, I'm very sorry, it's a little bit slow. Okay, good. We are going to the screenshot. We are going to locate the file where we can find the file. That's where I'm going to now. So in which I know the file I'm going to hide. Good. Here you can find the file. Good. So here's the video of the file I want to hide. So this is the file I want to hide. So I will just move this video to okay. So you can see those folders here are hidden folders. So from a previous video, I showed you that there are some folders that you can make, you can view, that you can show and make it visible to people to see. So unless you unclick it, unless you switch it on and switch it off, if you don't switch it on, you'll be able to see it here. And if you should switch it off, if you switch it on, you will see it here. And if you don't switch it on, you won't be able to see it here. So we are going to move this folder here, Columbia Media. We move it here. Then we are moving it, and we are going to check our gallery if you are going to find this particular video here with the guy's face showing on it. So I'm very sorry, it's a little bit slow. Okay, good. Now we are going back. Let us check the gallery to check if the video is still showing or not. Okay. Very sorry, it's a little bit slow. And as you're watching it, please don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Good, it has shown now. As you can see, we want to check if the video is still here. Okay, now it has been updated. It has been updated. You can see the video of that particular man is not here again. So this is how you can hide your folder on your phone, or your videos or image on your phone, that people won't be able to see it even though it is on your phone. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.